18 swole maids in the showers at Rem Ranch. Big messy rooms waiting to be cleaned. 18 swole maids waiting to be compensated for their labor. Maids in the showers at Rem Ranch. On their knees wanting to clean shower floors. Rem Ranch really rocks. Hot hard buff maids with their mops throbbing hard. 18 more gardening maids out in the yard. Big bulging brooms ever so hard. Washing in the showers at Rem Ranch. Big hard throbbing knives peeling potato butt. Like a bleeding subaru getting cut. Big hard throbbing stains getting scrubbed real deep. Maids even cleaning rooms in their sleep. Rem Ranch, it rocks. Maids love big hard throbbing mops. Maids love big hard throbbing mops.